Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of data visualization in Python. If you have ever wanted to turn raw data into stunning graphs and charts, this video is for you. So in this video, we will cover Matplotlib. The second one is Seaborn, and the third one is Pandas. So Matplotlib, the foundation of data visualization in Python, Seaborn for beautiful and informative statistical graphics, and Pandas to handle data efficiently before visualizing. By the end of this video, you will be able to create amazing charts with just a few lines of codes. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, so before we start, make sure you have Matplotlib and Seaborn installed. Run this command in your terminal. Pip install Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pandas. Okay, first I will select the kernel, run the cell. So in my environment, these three libraries are installed. So okay, exclamation mark. Now run. So in my case, these packages are already installed. So if you already have them installed, you are good to go. Now let's get started with Matplotlib. Okay, so let's create a simple line plot to visualize data trends over time. So first we import the library matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, now create the sample data. So for this here we use the years equal to now 15, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 2020, and after this sales. So 200, 400, 600, 800, 1200, and 1500. Okay, now create the plot. Why we get an error here? Okay, so first plt dot plot. Now the first argument is years, then sales, then marker equal to O. Okay, now after this line style, which is now color black or blue. Okay, now after this label equal to sales. Okay, now after this add labels and title. So plt dot x label on x label, which is air. Plt dot y label, which is sales in USD. Okay, now after this plt dot title yearly sales growth. Now also show the legend. Now after this show the plot. So plt dot show. Now run this cell. Okay, so argument marker. Okay, so we used plt dot plot function to create a line graph, and marker equal to 0 adds dots at each data point, and x label, y label, and title make the graph readable. Plt dot show display the graph, and just like that we have our first visualization. Okay, now let's create a bar chart. Okay, so for bar chart again here we use the create the sample data. So here we use categories equal to, so electronics, the first category is. The second one is clothing. The third one is home decor. Okay, now after this, the last one is books. Okay, now after this, the next variable is sales. So 500, 700, okay, 500, 700, 300, and 400. Okay, now create the bar chart. So for bar chart, again we use the plt dot bar. Now the first variable is categories, the second one is sales, the third one is color equal to blue. Now the green, red, and purple. Okay, now after this add labels and titles. So plt dot x label product category, plt dot y label sales in USD. Now plt dot title sales by category. Now after this show the plot. So plt dot show. Now run this cell, and here you can see the bar chart. So the plt dot bar is used to create a bar chart. So we add custom colors for better visualizations. Now we can clearly see which category is sold the most. So here the green one is clothing. Okay, now using Seaborn for beautiful graphs. So Matplotlib is great, but Seaborn makes it easier to create stunning graphs. So let's see how. Okay, so import Seaborn as SNS, SNS, and the second one is import pandas as PD. Now create a sample data set. So data equal to dictionary. So category. Again, I am copying this and paste it here, comma, and same is with the sales. So again, copy the sales value and paste it here. Okay, now after this df equal to pd dot data frame and pass the data variable. Okay, now after this create a seaborn plot. So for this we use sns dot bar plot. So on the x-axis is category, on the y-axis equal to sales, and after this data equal to data frame, and after this palette equal to cool warm. Okay, now after this add title. So plt dot title sales by category Seaborn. Okay, now after this plt dot show and run. Category 4 could not interpret value category. Okay, so the C, because here C and S both are in small. Okay, now here you can see the Seaborn chart Seaborn plot. So why Seaborn? So less code, more aesthetics, built-in color themes and styles, great for statistical visualizations. Okay, now creating a histogram to show distributions. So write a code in the new cell. So first import numpy as np. Okay, now after this generate random data. So data equal to np dot random dot random number. So 1000. Okay, now after this create a histogram. So plt dot hist. So pass the argument data. Now after this bins equal to 30, color equal to blue. Okay, now after this h color equal to black. Again add labels and titles. So plt dot x label, on the x-axis value. Okay, plt dot y label, which is frequency. Okay, plt dot title, histogram of random data. Now after this plt dot show. Okay, so here you can see the histogram of random data. So a histogram is great for showing distributions. More bins equal to more detailed view of the data. So useful for detecting outliers and trends. Now the next one is the scatter plot to show relationship, which is perfect for showing relationships between two variables. Okay, so again we create random numbers for x and y. So np dot random dot rand and 50. Okay, now after this y equal to, so y equal to np dot random dot rand 50. Okay, now create a scatter plot. So plt dot scatter. Now x and y. The third one is color, which is red. Okay, now add labels and titles. So plt dot x label, which is x values. Plt dot y label, which is y values. Plt dot title, it's a scatter plot. Okay, now after this plt dot show. So here you can see the scatter plot. So scatter plot perfect for finding correlation between two variables. Each dot represent an observation, useful in machine learning and data science. And that's it, you just learned how to visualize data using Python. So today we covered four types of charts. The first one is line plots, the second one is bar chart, the third one is histograms, and the last one is scatter plots. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment below with your thoughts or questions, subscribe for more Python tutorial. Want more advanced visualization? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Happy coding.